appreciate you joining. I hope that you are doing well. Apple polyphenols for longevity, a potent antioxidant for heart health, and much more. When you're biting down on a juicy red apple, the polyphenol content of your apple may be the last thing on your mind. Polyphenols in apples have various health benefits on inflammation, heart disease, and cancer, especially if you eat your apple with the skin on, since this is where most polyphenols are found. Many of the nutrients in apples are found very close to the skin, so peeling removes them. Apples supply around 22% of the total phenols eaten each year in the United States. Scientists from 3 different laboratories have published studies that demonstrate how phenol molecules derived from apples extend lifespan in various species by as much as 12%. Compelling evidence exists for apple phenol's ability to prevent and even reverse changes that produce cardiovascular disease, cancer, elevated blood sugar, and even serious infections. These researchers are unraveling the various mechanisms of action that give apple phenols such promise as anti-aging nutrients. Scientists are discovering why an apple a day may help keep the doctor away. Apples, and especially their skins, contain many of the phenols found in other fruits, however in considerably higher concentrations. Initial findings show that apple phenols modulate multiple signaling molecules to delay the onset of age-related conditions. They may also mimic the actions of calorie restriction, a known anti-aging technique. One polyphenol, fluoridin, which is highly concentrated in the skin of the apple, is especially active against glycation, one of the most common preventable and reversible causes of aging. Studies also show that fluoridin inhibits glucose uptake by 50%. Apple phenols demonstrate remarkable capabilities of fat management, as shown by a wealth of human, animal, and laboratory studies in 2 distinct areas. In one study, patients were given 600 milligrams a day of apple phenols and were tracked for 12 weeks. In that time, the control patients gained weight, while supplemental patients lost nearly a pound and about 2 square inches of visceral fat area, as measured by CT scans. Apple phenols also block cholesterol absorption and interfere with production of the lipoprotein carrier molecules that are associated with cardiovascular risk. A human study providing 1,500 milligrams a day of concentrated apple phenols demonstrated a modest rise in HDL cholesterol levels, while significant drops in LDL cholesterol. Studies show that those who consume large amounts of apple phenols can cut their colon cancer risk by nearly 50%. They can also reduce the number of actual precancerous polyps by up to 42%, and their growth rate by up to as much as 60% as shown in animal models. Apple phenols also boost immunity, fight infection, lower blood glucose, and prevent glycation damage. Since health-conscious people today obtain a wide range of polyphenols, such as green tea and pomegranate extracts, a daily dose of 300 milligrams to 600 milligrams of apple phenols may be all that is needed to obtain desired benefits. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.